Don't know if we'll win it. 2004 Volvo S60 sedan. Kind of stumbled upon it. Nice looking car. It's an auction. Not a CoPart, not AAA. It's an estate auction. It looks like it's been well taken care of. It's got a cassette player there. It's kind of crazy. It has 70,000 miles. Looks like to be in great shape. Auction ends in about... Boy, these are some new pictures I've never seen. It looks like they put more pictures up. Definitely, because I have not seen these pictures. It's got some dings in the hood. Ooh, didn't see that. That's cracked. Figures, all these pictures come up like 30 minutes before auction. So currently, let's see, I've been outbid, but let me refresh this. This is kind of old. Holy crap, we're up to $4,300 already. Closes in 14 minutes. It seems like it's a great thing. It's about a 2-hour drive away, so I'd have to get a trailer, take the truck out, pop it on the trailer, and, or I should say a tow dolly, and haul it back. $4,300. 35 bids, so this guy here kind of jumped in. 4 bids already. Oof. This guy was bidding $4,200. I'm down here somewhere, and I stopped. Let it sit, and it's been sitting quietly until about, I don't know, 30 minutes ago. I always hate these because you never know. You never know if it's someone with the auction, with the estate sale, just jacking it up. This guy has 4 automatic bids, so he's probably got a high bid at $4,500 or $5,000. They want 15% auction price fee plus, and I don't get this, 6.75% sales tax, but it's a vehicle, so I would think North Carolina is 3% when you buy a vehicle. I think that 3% is for new and used cars. I don't know. It's been a long time since I bought a vehicle. I keep my vehicles a long time. But 6.75%, maybe that's used car tax versus 3%. I know it's 3%. I think for a new car. I'm not really sure. The last car I bought was used, but that was 7-8 years ago. $4,400 is the next bid. Goes up by $100 increments. What do we got? 12 minutes left. I'm just going to wait. I'll come back in about 10 minutes. All right, we're winning again. 48, let's see if you can see that there. 4,800 was my bid. I'm sure it's not going to be the winning bid. Just in the few minutes since we came back, it's gone up, what, $500 or something. I'm sure I'll be outbid right here when it refreshes. Let's check what you can get for around, it's going to be near $6,000 with the freaking fees. And for $6,000, you just can't get a lot of cars out there right now. The market is nuts. So there I'm outbid, $4,900, of course. So we're going to wait. And it's the same dude here. He's got 6 bids. That's me with 3 bids. I think I actually win in the case of a tie because I bid a couple days ago and this guy just came in new. This is where you don't want to get caught up in it, but you want to win it. I don't know. Seems like a darn good deal. Yeah, not sure what to do. We'll come back in 5 minutes. I don't know what to do. Got 2 minutes and 25 seconds left. I've been outbid. It's Still $4,900. I wrote up a little cheat sheet here. Sorry if the lighting's not bad. Or I'm sorry the lighting's not good. So at $5,000, it's gonna be like 6140. Not sure. All right, I don't know what to do. It just went up again to 5,100, and really, it's over my number. I only went up to 5,000 on here, but I don't want to lose it over $100. We'll place a bid. Oh, what? Why does it say pending? It says my bid is pending. What the heck does that mean? Never seen that. Of course, I've never bid on this before. So soft close means if there's a bid within the last minute, it extends it for a minute. So that's what I was counting on. This thing said I still had time left. Oh, God bless it. Pending. Outbid, 5,200. Now it's at 5,300. It's that same guy again. All right, I did one more. That's it. I'm done after this. He can have it. This is ridiculous. Used car market's ridiculous.
Did Theo eat?
Yeah.
Okay.
We'll see. 5,300. I'm $300 over what I wanted to spend. This is like gambling. I have no idea how much time is left because this auction site's not so good. Oh, a minute and a half apparently. Still winning after a minute and a half. Still winning. Now I'm kind of nervous. Yeah. I don't plan on reselling it. I plan on driving it. So I'm not looking to make a profit on it. I don't know. This guy's going to probably come in at the last second and Skype and wipe it. Oh boy, this is nerve-wracking. I'm not cut out for this. I just need to go to a used car lot and buy something. I don't know. 27 seconds left. We'll see. Ah. Wait, why did it get extended another minute? That's bull. Oh, because someone put in a bid and it's pending. Gosh darn it. That's probably what happened. All right, we're going to call it. We're not going after that. Yeah, outbid. It's the same guy. Oh, it's this dude. It's this dude with 7 bids. Let's run a quick calc here. What's my total? God darn it, I don't have a lot of time here. If I do 5,500 plus 15% plus 6.75, $6,300. We'll do it. 6,300 is not bad. This car's in fantastic shape. This is it. I gotta stop. This is like an addiction. 5,500. Hope I did that math right. 5,500 plus gosh darn it. That's $800 right there. Plus. Ooh. Yeah, that's got to be the most. I'm done. Oh shit, did we win it? Damn. I think I won it. Holy shit. Just bought a car. Now I gotta figure out how to get it home. What does that mean? No idea what closing means. Where's the final bid? Closing. It's closing something. Oh. No idea what that means. Holy crap. We won it. Well, this is going to be an adventure. How do I get my... Holy camole. All right, I got to turn this off. My heart's racing. That was something, guys. Woo! Never won an online auction before for an auto. There will be a lot more to this story. I have to pick it up by this Friday, so that means I got to take a day off work to go get it. Drive 2 hours towards the ocean. I got to get a trailer somehow and take my 20-year-old truck that's got suspension problems in the front. And hopefully I can find gas for the return trip, because North Carolina's short on gas still. I had a heck of a time finding it today, and I need gas to get back, especially towing a trailer. Talk to you later.